Good morning, students. Today are going to start a new chapter, multiples and factors. That is chapter number 8, multiples and factors. Today we will discuss about only multiples. What do you mean by multiples and how we can find multiples and how we can find LCM of given numbers with the help of multiples. So let us start. First of all, what is multiple? Multiple is the product obtained by multiplying a number by the same number or any other number. It may be same number or any other number. Okay, means we can find the multiple of a number by multiplying the number with the same number or any other number. Let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose we want to find out multiple of 2. We can find multiple of 2 by multiplying 2 with any number. We can multiply it by any number and we will get its multiples. Okay, suppose I am writing here 2 and I want to find out its multiple. Here I can write any number. It may be 0, it may be 1, it may be 2, 3, 4 and so on. So multiples of 2 are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These all are multiples of 2. In this we have multiplied 2 with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we can find multiples of any number by multiplying the number with same number or any other number. These all are multiples of 2. 0 is multiple of every non-zero number and multiples are infinite. We can find many numbers, many multiples in this way. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to find out multiples of 5. So what are multiples of 5? 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25 and so on. In this way, these are all multiples of 5. In short, we can say we can write table of that number. 5 1 ja, 5, 5 2 ja, 10, 5 3 ja, 15, 5 4 ja, 20 and so on. In short, we can say it is a table of that number. Okay. And now 0 is multiple of every non-zero number. So we will start writing multiple from that number. Suppose we want to write multiple of 10. So we will write multiple directly. We will start with 10. We will not write 0. We will start with 10. Then 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. These all are multiples of 10. Okay. In this way we can write multiples of 10 by multiplying the number with any number. Okay. Now from these examples you can see here are some properties of multiples which you should know. First property, that every number is a multiple of itself. Suppose I want to write multiple of 3. Okay, so 3 into 1 is always same number. 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 is multiple of 3. So every number is multiple of itself. Second, every number is multiple of 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Here is 1. So 1 is every number. Every number is multiple of 1. Okay. Third, the first and smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. The first and smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. Means if we want to write multiples of any number, we will start with the same number. I want to write multiple of 5. Then I will start writing multiple from 5, then 10, then 15 and so on. So the first and smallest multiple of every number is the number itself, same number. Okay. Next thing about multiples is that multiple of number are infinite. Suppose I want to write multiple of 4. So 4 multiple 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. There are infinite number of multiple of any number. Okay. Next, 0 is multiple of every non-zero number. Suppose I want to write down multiple of 3. So 3 into 0 is 0. So 0 is multiple of every non-zero number. Okay. Next, multiples of even number are even. Suppose I want to write multiple of 2. So multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These all are even numbers. Similarly, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9 and so on. So multiples of odd numbers are odd and multiples of even numbers are even. So this was all about multiples. Now we will discuss what are common multiples. What do you mean by common multiples? There are some common multiples. Suppose there are two numbers. Okay. 2 and 4. We want to write their common multiples. So first of all, we will write multiples of the two numbers and then we will find their common multiples. Okay, let us discuss. First of all, we will write multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Similarly, multiple of 3. If we want to find out common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay. Now multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. Now common multiples of both the numbers are, you can see here is 6 and here is also 6. Okay. Next common number, here is 12 and here is 12. Here is 8 but 8 is not available here. Here is 10 but 10 is not available in this. Here is 9 but 9 is not available in this. Okay. We have to see the number which is common in both the multiples. Similarly, here is 18 and here is also 18. So these are common multiples of 2 and 3. That is 6, 12, 18 and so on. These are common multiples. So common multiples we can find by writing multiples of the two numbers. Similarly, numbers may be 2 or 3. First of all, we will write their common multiples. Okay. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to write common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now common multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 12, 21, 24 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 4, 4, 12, 16, 24 and so on. Now what are their common multiples? Common multiples, common numbers. What are common numbers? First common number is 12. You can see here. First common number is 12. All other numbers are different before 12. Okay. Now next common number is 12 is here also. We will see the number in 3 numbers. All the multiples. Okay. First number is 12. Now find next common multiples. Next common multiples here is 24 and here is also 24 and 24 here also I can write 18, 20, 22 and 24. So here also 24. So these are common multiples which are common in all the 3 multiples. Okay. So common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are 12, then 24 and so on. So these are called common multiples. Now by using common multiples we will find LCM of given two numbers. First of all, what do you mean by LCM? LCM means least, C means common and M means multiple. So LCM means least common multiple. Means first of all we will find common multiples of two numbers and then the smallest common multiple is called LCM of that number. Let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose we want to find of LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, we want to find LCM of 4 and 6. So first of all we will write multiples of 4 and 6, then we find common multiple. 4, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Similarly, multiple of 6 are 30 and so on. Now common multiples. You can see here what are common multiples. Common multiples are, first common multiple is 12, then 24 and then so on. Now what is LCM of 4 and 6? LCM is the smallest common multiple. These are common multiples and smallest is 12. So its LCM will be 12. Okay, so by using common multiples we can find LCM of given two numbers.